Most tire shops are losing customers every single day. Not because their prices are high, not because their service is bad, but because customers simply forget they exist. And once that happens, they're gone for good. Here's the truth. Getting a new customer is expensive. It takes effort, time, sometimes even ads. But a repeat customer? That's where real profit lives. Easier to sell, higher trust, and they spend more. Yet most shops treat every customer like a one-time deal. And that's where everything breaks. In this episode, you'll learn why customers never come back and, more importantly, how to fix it with simple steps you can start today. If you stay till the end, you'll have a system that brings customers back without chasing them. This matters more than ever. People today have endless options. One quick Google search, and they're at your competitor. So if you're not staying in their mind, you're losing business silently. Let's break it down. First, why customers don't come back. Most shop owners think it's about price. It's not. Customers leave, and then life happens. They forget your shop. Next time they need tires, they go to whoever is closest or whoever shows up on Google first. You didn't lose them because you were bad. You lost them because you disappeared. This is where most people mess up. They focus on the sale, not the relationship. Now, here's the fix, and it's simpler than you think. Step 1. Collect customer details every single time. Name, phone number, that's the minimum. If you want to go next level vehicle registration, tire size, because no data means no follow-up. And no follow-up means lost customers. Think about it. If you don't have a way to reach them, how will they remember you? Step 2. Use SMS. This is gold, and almost no one uses it properly. Everyone reads texts. It's instant. It feels personal. You don't need anything fancy. Just simple messages like, "Hi, just a reminder to check your tires this month. We're here if you need anything." Or, "We've got stock ready for you this week. Message us if you need tires." That's it. No selling pressure, just staying visible. Here's something no one talks about. Customers don't always need you today, but they will need you later. And the shop they remember is the one they go to. Step 3. Remind them before they need you. This is where most tire shops lose easy money. They wait. They hope the customer comes back. But smart shops? They remind 6 months later, 9 months later, 12 months later. A simple message about tire wear or safety. Now suddenly, you're not just a shop. You're the one who looks after them. And that builds trust fast. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you followed up with a customer after a sale? If the answer is never, you're leaving money on the table. Step 4. Make it ridiculously easy to come back. If a customer has to search for you again, you've already lost. Instead, tell them to save your number. Encourage WhatsApp messages. Reply fast. Convenience wins every time. People don't choose the best option, they choose the easiest one. So become the easiest option. Step 5. Small touches that people remember. Friendly service. Clear advice. No pressure. Because people forget prices, but they remember how you made them feel. This is where most people mess up. They focus only on selling, not on experience. Now here's the biggest mistake of all. Relying on luck. If they need tires, they'll come back. No, they won't. Not unless you remind them. Not unless you stay visible. Not unless you build that connection. So here's a simple system you can start today. Ask for customer details on every job. Send one message per week. Set reminders for follow-ups. That's it. No expensive software, no complicated systems, just consistency. And over time, this builds something powerful, a base of customers who trust you, remember you, and keep coming back. Let's quickly recap. Customers don't leave because of price, they leave because they forget you. Repeat customers are where real profit is. Collect data, use SMS, follow up early, make it easy to return, and focus on experience. Do this right, and you won't have to chase customers anymore. They'll come back to you. And if you want more simple, practical strategies like this, strategies that actually help you stay busy, stay profitable, and stay ahead, make sure you're subscribed and share your biggest takeaway in the comments. Because the shops that win aren't the ones with the most customers today. They're the ones customers remember tomorrow. If you run a tyre shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.